Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today, I'm going to talk about should I pay off my mortgage early or invest? Understanding your mortgage. Let's get into the video. Understanding your mortgage. Before diving into whether paying off your mortgage early is the right choice, it's important to understand the basis of your mortgage. First, the interest rate. The rate of interest you are charged on your mortgage plays a key role in this decision. A higher interest rate may make paying off your mortgage early more attractive, while a lower rate could make investments more appealing. Secondly, loan term. Mortgages typically last 15 to 30 years. A shorter term mortgage, example 15 years, often comes with a lower interest rate. It makes it more challenging to justify investing rather than paying it off early. Conversely, a longer term loan at a low rate may present more opportunities to invest. Monthly payments. Your monthly mortgage payments include both principal and interest. Early payments go largely towards interest, and paying extra early in the life of the loan can reduce the total amount of interest you pay. Tax deductions. In some cases, mortgage interest is tax deductible, which can reduce your overall tax liability and make holding onto the mortgage more appealing. However, recent changes to tax laws have limited this deduction for many homeowners. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.